How to get Spotify Premium for students. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can get Spotify Premium for students, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to get Spotify Premium for students, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all actually open up your browser and go to spotify.com. Now we're not going to do from the app but from the browser, and make sure to log into your account. After that, tap the gear icon and then just go to this option called Premium. Now when you go to Premium, over here you should be able to set different sort of plans: individual, duo, family and student. So if you are a student and you would like to get the student plan, here you can see all the conditions, and now you can tap the get started option here. Once you tap on get started, first of all you need to verify your share ID. So if you don't have this share ID, you will not be able to verify that you are a student, and after you've done that, you should be able to get the student plan. This way you can get Spotify Premium for students. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.